Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Cooking with Mitisha. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious and quick samosa recipe. So this is not a traditional samosa recipe, but the quickest way to make samosa. So let's get started. So into this pan, I have taken oil, and into this oil, I'm going to add some whole coriander seeds, and I'm going to toast the seeds into this oil for about 2 to 3 seconds, and then slowly going to add all the spice and toast it in with this oil. So here I'm adding cumin powder, coriander powder, red chili powder, amchur powder or mango powder, black salt, crushed fennel seeds, dry fenugreek seeds or kasuri methi, and a little bit of garam masala. And I'm adding a little bit of chopped fresh mint and chopped cilantro. Mix it all together and toast with this oil for about 2 to 3 seconds, and make sure it does not get burnt. This is the original way to prepare the samosa filling, and it's gonna taste just like a street wala or vendor samosas. So once the spices gets ready, you wanna add boiled potatoes, and I'm going to just roughly mash with this and mix it very well with this spice until each potato is covered with the spice. So here is my potato ready. So I'm going to add some green peas into it. And the last, I'm going to add some chopped cilantro. And our stuffing is ready. Let it cool down. So here is my stuffing is ready. So to make it this quick way, here I'm using the flour tortilla, soft taco flour tortillas. Instead of making a dough, I'm using this tortilla. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this tortilla from the center and make it into 2 pieces. And if you want, you can use the smaller size of tortilla to make small samosas. I'm making big samosas, and as you can see, I have cut it into the center. So now this is gonna make 2 big samosas. So I'm gonna cut my other one just same way. And we are going to prepare the slurry. So here I have taken all-purpose flour. Into that I'm just going to add water and mix it all together very nice. This is gonna work as a glue to seal our samosa. Since we are using the tortilla, we would need this. If you're using the dough, you don't need that. So I'm gonna take the dough mixture and I'm just going to apply onto the edge of my tortilla, just like so. I have applied it on the one side, but you can do whole side if you want. And I'm just going to seal just like this. The dough side comes out, and gently press it, and it's gonna take a shape of the cone. As you can see, it looks like more like a cone. So I'm gonna prepare all my cutting like this. Gonna apply this on edges and just turn it over and seal it. So as you can see, all my cones are ready, and I'm going to fill this with my samosa filling. And then you just want to press on top and seal it. So for that, we need to apply this flour mixture or slurry onto the edges again. As you can see, I'm applying it, and then gently press it. Make sure you seal all the edges. It will take like 1 or 2 seconds to dry and seal properly. So I have prepared all my samosas, and we are going to fry them now. So my oil is ready, and I'm going to drop my samosas in. So only difference between the traditional samosas, the one you prepare actual dough, it will take longer to fry. This tortilla samosa does not like take longer to fry. So you want to make sure you don't leave them alone, otherwise you end up burning it. So just keep your eyes on them while you're frying them, and they will fry pretty fast. They are ready, so I'm going to take them out. And my samosa is ready to enjoy with any of your favorite chutney or ketchup or sauce, whatever you like to eat your samosa with. And I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.